Okay, so I am trying something new here today, guys. Yeah, these beauties. What are these, you might ask? Well, they are hard-boiled eggs that have been marinating in this soy sauce mixture. Thank you, Courtney Cook. She has got me hooked on trying new and interesting food. Now, there is a name for these, but I can't remember what they're called. But I am so excited to try these with you. And first, let me show you how I made this soy sauce marinade.
So I'm using 1/2 cup of soy sauce and 1/2 cup of water. Then I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil and a sweet chili sauce. But there is no exact measurements here, guys. Just add however much you want, really. Then I have 2 green onions that I've sliced. And then some sesame seeds, and then give it all a stir. And then I'm just adding my hard-boiled eggs, and I'm going to let these marinate for 24 hours.
Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do this like Courtney did. However, I could not find the Japanese mayo. She uses Japanese mayo. I looked all over. I even went to the international market. They were out of it. And I just did not have patience to order it on Amazon and wait. So I'm going to use Duke's mayonnaise, but I'm also going to try something a little different. I'm going to use some of this yum yum sauce. So I'm going to do it both ways. And like I said, I'm going to eat these how she had ate them. But look at these. Look at these eggs. Interesting. And then she also used French fried onions. So I'm going to put some of these French fried onions on my plate because we're going to dip the eggs in the mayonnaise and then the French fried onions. Are you with me? Are you still with me here? I hope you don't tune out because it sounds weird, right? Well, she squirts the mayonnaise right on top of her egg. So just like this. Whoa. All right, then she kind of dips it, but I don't know if that's going to stay. Oh, it does stay. Okay. This is the moment of truth. I'm so excited to try these. Here we go. I'm loving it. Oh my gosh, those are good. I mean, the egg has the soy sauce, the mixture has the flavor, but not like overpowering. But now I'm going to try it with this yum yum sauce because I'm really curious. I'll put a little bit of yum yum sauce on top. Now this is runnier than the mayo, so I think I'm just going to kind of place these French fried onions on top like this. Okay, here goes. Wow. I'm not sure what I like better. The yum yum sauce has that sweetness to it. So it gives this sweet and savor umami bite. Well, that is all there is to this video. I literally was just wanting to try this with you, showing something new and interesting that has really got me intrigued. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.